Mahant Narendra Giri, the president of Akhada Parishad, was found dead in Prayagraj. It is being said that the Akhada Parishad president Acharya Narendra Giri has died under suspicious circumstances. IG and DIG have reached the spot, is what we are being told. The people of the ashram are now being interrogated. Madhurima is with me on the phone line. Madhurima, what more have we been able to gather in terms of Mahant Narendra Giri's death and what the investigation has revealed so far?
Well, if we look into the primary investigation that has been, initiated in the entire matter, what we are gathering is that he was found hanging in Prayagraj. And looking at his stature, he was quite an influential man. And his mortal remains were found hanging, in a room in Prayagraj. And if we listen to what the police officials there are saying, we need to realize this that this is touted. This the first primary link that we can say is that it could be a matter of suicide. That is what is being the prima facie. However, the entire investigation is being looked into it because he was an influential person. And rest we'll have to wait and watch as to what comes out of this particular investigation, because a call was made and the police officials are on the spot. The rest, what was the reason behind the entire case, that if charges for murder, attempt to murder, or was it suicide? All different angles will be probed in this entire matter. And this has to be seen as to what comes out sooner. But later in this entire investigation, rest we'll have to wait and watch as to what the UP police officials come out and say. However, nothing is confirmed as of now. Him being a senior Mahant, this has sent a shockwave down the vicinity, because he was quite an influential person, and with his body found hanging in this room in Prayagraj, this is a matter of concern. The police officials are looking into it. Rest, we'll wait for the information and confirmation that what kind of investigation will they be filing. Back to you.
Oh yes, absolutely. Waiting for what the police has to say on this matter. But as far as initial details are concerned, Madhurima, like you're saying, he was found hanging. And his death is really under mysterious circumstances. Reasons of his death could not be ascertained immediately, and which is why the police is taking its time. When are we likely to receive a statement, Madhurima? Any details on that?
Well, Swesha, it is the entire this mystery is under the mist, because it will take some amount of time for even the forensics and the police to come up and investigate all the angles, and specifically the primary investigation of questioning the people who were in the vicinity, and then beginning and taking it forward to the level where the forensics will be conducting their entire investigation. So after once the primary people who were on the spot, second those who could be the family will be questioned, and the third the way the entire investigation takes place is to determine what kind of what caused the death, until and unless the police has to wait to press the charges. So we'll have to wait and watch for that. It is expected that the prima facie what could be the reason will come out in another couple of hours. After the investigation, we'll be looking at police acting on it fast because of the kind of stature he held in Prayagraj. So we can expect in some time, in couple of hours, a maximum of 12 hours, that the police will come forward and make a statement as to what prima facie looks like the reason behind the Mahant's death.